Hello everyone and welcome to Miss Tiffin's Tutorials. See the magic in writing. So today everyone, we're learning how to use a simile phrase. First things first, what is a simile? A simile compares one thing to another, usually using the words like or as. For example, the girl's hair cascaded down her back, like a waterfall. Or, the boy ran as fast as a cheetah. A simile phrase takes a simile and places it at the beginning of a sentence. So like will begin a sentence or as will begin a sentence. That sounds super tricky, doesn't it? But it's actually as easy as 1, 2, 3. So let's take a look at some examples. Let's take a look at the first example. Here we have a missile. Now the first step in creating a simile phrase is thinking about what your character or picture does. So what does a missile do? A missile speeds, races, dashes towards a target. Now to make our comparison, we need to think who or what speeds, races, and dashes. Now the first thing that came to my mind was an athlete. So that will be my comparison. Here we go. Like a missile, the athlete raced towards the finish line. Would he be victorious? So I've compared a missile with an athlete because they both speed, race, and dash. Looks good to me. What do you think? Let's take a look at our next example. Here we have falling autumn leaves, and the leaves are falling to the ground softly and gently. So to make my comparison, my simile phrase, I need to ask myself, what else falls to the ground softly and gently? And the first thing I thought of was snowflakes. Let's give it a go. Like burnt snowflakes, the autumn leaves fell to the ground. It wasn't long before the whistling wind picked them up and pushed them along the path. So to make my simile phrase, I've compared leaves with snowflakes because they both fall to the ground softly and gently. Make sense? And here's our last example. Take this tornado and ask yourself, what is it doing? I think it's spinning, it's turning, and it's twirling. So now it's time for our comparison. What else or who else spins, turns, and twirls? And the first thing I thought of was a ballerina. So let's give it a try. Like a ballerina, the tornado tore across the land, spinning a path of destruction. When would it end? So my comparison has been between a ballerina and a tornado because they both spin, turn, and twirl. Do you like it? That's it for now, guys. Thank you for listening and happy writing.